conduct the interview.
I'm Rajlakshmi. I belong to Tenkasi. I'm currently pursuing Electronics and Communication Engineering in Ramco Institute of Technology with a CGPA of 8.44. I have done my higher secondary with 93% from Hilton Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I'm interested in networking and semiconductor devices. I have attended various workshops, online courses, and various implant trainings. I have very good leadership qualities, and I'm a very good team worker too. My short-term goal is to do my MBA in esteemed institution, and my long-term goal is to become a chief executive officer. And so far my family background is concerned, I have 4 members in my family, which includes my parents, both of them are working, and my sister currently doing her 12th standard, and I'm fond of reading books, singing songs. That's all about me. To become a chief executive of an esteemed organization and to employ my skills to work for the betterment and the growth of the company.
That is your future plan. How should it become your career objective?
It is my career objective. I want to become a chief executive.
That is your future plan. Career objective is the place where you will say what kind of work you can do to the company. This is your career plan. It is more like I saying, I will work as assistant professor for 10 years, then I will become HOD, then I will become associate professor, then I will become professor. Similarly, you are saying I will work, then I will become CEO, and I will become this, that. But how can it become your career objective? That is your career plan. What is your career objective?
I'm employing my skills to work for the betterment and growth of the company.
Workshop,
Two workshops I've attended, Embedded Systems workshop, and one more was IC Technical Leadership Summit.
about the embedded system.
Embedded systems, it is a process by which software code is implemented in the hardware. Whenever you type a code, obviously you will see the output in the system itself, but in case of embedded system, you will implement it in a hardware. For a practical example of embedded system is a washing machine. You type a code and dump it in the hardware.
What kind of leadership?
I'm a personal relationship-oriented leader. I'll give importance to my employees' concern more than my. If I give importance to my employees' concern, then he'll work for the betterment of the company, and my company will improve.
Please explain your project.
My project, I have done 2 projects. In my first year, I have done hybrid pump project. We know the word hybrid comes from combining of 2 different things. In normal pumps we'll use either centrifugating pump or reciprocal pump. In my hybrid pump, we have combined both the mechanisms, centrifugal and reciprocating. Centrifugal is a rotating mechanism, and reciprocating is an oscillating mechanism to and fro motion. I have combined both the mechanisms so that to ensure the efficiency of water suction. And this can be used anywhere. It does not require any priming process. Priming is nothing but when you have to start a motor, you have to pour water into it. But in case of hybrid pump, you don't want to do any priming process. It is very efficient than normal pumps.
What kind of principle behind this project?
It is a principle of suction, centrifugal principle and reciprocating principle. Centrifugal principle, the water suction happens whenever a vacuum is created. The water is sucked through the barrel, and in reciprocating, the barrel rotates continuously, and during the process, water is sucked when you rotate. It is we can operate it through hand. Yeah, in my school days.
the abbreviation of ICT?
ICT Academy. Entrepreneurship Cell. In our college, we have Entrepreneurship Cell, which motivates and encourages students who want to become entrepreneurs. I want to become an entrepreneur, so I am planning to do my MBA, so I joined in the EC.
What type of company you are for entrepreneur? What type of company you are?
I'll start a company which manufactures chips,
You are interested in semiconductors.
semiconductor devices. Semiconductor is a material that partially conducts. Partially conducts in the sense that if we explain it, whenever a current passes through it or whenever in particular voltages, it conducts. Example is silicon and germanium. I have attended two in-plant trainings. In BSNL, I have learned about the fundamentals of telecom. In BSNL, they taught us about how the two nodes are connected in various topologies, bus, string, mesh, and star topologies. And they use twisted pair cables nowadays, which has copper cable embedded in it. But they are leading the optical fiber cables. Optical fiber cables are more efficient than normal twisted pair cables, and they also said about GSM, which is Global System for Mobile Communication, and they also insisted the importance of GSM in today's day-to-day world.
What is PSpice?
PSpice is a simulation software. We can implement all the circuits in the PSpice software. Before connecting a circuit in the hardware, we can connect it in the software, and if the output is clear, we can connect it to the hardware so that our devices will not be damaged. Networking is a connection of two nodes in various ways. We have various topologies to connect various nodes, and whenever a network is created, we will have a server and a client, and we have various mechanisms to connect the server and client. We have various protocols, stop and wait protocol, selective repeat mechanism, go back and mechanisms, which to connect the server and client. Each have its own distinct features so that overcome the previous one's advantages, and we have various layers of transmission in which message is transferred from server to client, application layer, transport layer, network layer. Each it delivers message according to the IP address and physical address of the system.
The strength and weakness?
My strength is I am a social person. I can mingle with anyone. I have good interpersonal skills, and I am a very good decision maker, team worker. And my weakness is that if I don't have any ego, so if I easily talk to anyone, even though they are in angry with me, I'll go and talk to them, but I'll get hurt if they don't respond. That's my weakness. I know. आपको क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ आप बोल दीजिए, मैं बात कर सकती हूँ.
Do you have any questions to ask?
What kind of a job you are going to offer me?
See, recently we have got one project for which freshers are recruited, so you'll be given 3 months training based on the project you are doing.
I have one more question to ask. In your personal view, what is a company? Tell me about the company I'm going to join. In your own personal view, you have worked so much years in this company, so I want to know something about the company in your own personal view.
How do you expect that I will share my personal view with the person whom I am meeting for the first time?
You want me to employ in your company, so if I know your personal experience, then I would mend myself to work with this company, adjust myself.
As a fresher, you are smart. As an experienced person, I am smarter. So how can I share my personal views with you, which may in future might result in some unwanted things?
If you consider me like that, you won't offer me a job. So if you want,
job is a job, profession is a profession. It's business like. If you have talent that could earn more money for company, That's all. There is nothing for emotional connection or personal connection. I don't have to connect or trust with my heart and soul. Yeah. I need not trust a person with my heart and soul in order to select him for a job. So that is the thing. That maturity will always be there in the professionals. So, yes, we are